How to make money fast. I once borrowed about $500 to invest in a cryptocurrency trading company sometime during my days as an undergraduate at the university. I did not know that this company was a fraud. Eventually, the fraudsters were put to justice, but I never got my money back. And since the money invested was borrowed, I certainly had to pay it back. At the time, I survived on a little below $100 per month, and it would take a few months at least to save up the money. The problem was, I had agreed to pay back the money within a month. And that was the beginning of my search on how to make money fast. Hi, my name is Harold and you are welcome to Millionaire by 25 YouTube channel. The #1 place on the internet to get inspiration and information about wealth, success and making money online. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe so that you are informed when we put out new amazing videos like this one. We would be hosting our first giveaway once we hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. So subscribe so that you can remain informed about updates on the giveaway. Thank you so much as you smash that red subscribe button. So, back to my story. I set a target to pay back that money in a month. I just needed the perfect job to pay me that money. Since I was a full-time student, I obviously couldn't work during the day. Night jobs at the time were quite uncommon in my town. So, I decided to turn to online jobs. Like I have already said in one of my other videos, my application hardly made it through when I applied for a freelance writing job on Upwork.com. I was astonished at the portfolios already built by my age-mates who already had accounts on Upwork. And then it hit me, I was not putting in my best in my pursuit of success and financial freedom. That was an important turning point. But that was not my priority at the time. I just wanted to pay my debt. I turned to forex and realized that it would take me a few months to learn the skill before I would begin trading. One top forex trader advised I just practiced for about 6 months before I begin making any serious trades. 6 months felt like a lifetime since I had to pay up in a month. Long story cut short. I turned to different ways to make money and it didn't work. And then it hit me. I did not have any skills. And most often than not, you will have to trade services for money. Except you are a huge businessman who can easily trade money for more money by investing and stuffs like that. Or, you have a passive income source. Aside from these two and a few other exceptions, 9 times out of 10 when you are starting out, you will be trading time for money. And if you have no skills, your journey to financial freedom cannot even begin in the first place. So, let me answer the question. How do you make money fast? The answer is, you do not. Quite honestly, there is no fast route to financial freedom. Except you want to engage in all sorts of shady stuff. Success is what happens when opportunity meets preparation. Most billionaires started their journey when they were 30 and they got there at 50. There is a reason for that. Your preparation would be to develop all skills that would get you to the top. One skill at a time. Learn copywriting if it falls into your plan, learn social media marketing if you have to, learn how to sell your business online, learn negotiation. When you are armed with all these, it is quite difficult not to grow financially because opportunities always come. With the world becoming more of a global village, your next opportunity is just a stone throw away. The real question is, are you well equipped to grab it when it comes? I eventually decided to assist one of my lecturers in writing a textbook which he paid me for. I was also on a scholarship at the time and was expecting some money from the scholarship body in a few months. That was how I was able to pay up the debt, and it didn't happen in 1 month. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Check out this video on 5 things to do daily to stay productive if you haven't already. Please remember to give us a like and subscribe. What skills do you already have which is earning you money? Or, what skills do you plan on learning now? Let us know in the comment section below. We love you. As always, stay energized.